एक्सरसाइज 9.3 फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 1 to 10 ऑलरेडी मैं डाल चुकी हूँ. आज शुरू करेंगे हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 से. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज इवेल्युएट k इक्वल टू 1 to 11 सम ऑफ 1 to 11 टर्म्स 2 plus 3 raised to power k. Okay, the summation of this series. So first we have to bifurcate in the two terms. K is equal to 1 to 11. It is equal to 2 plus k equal to 1 to 11 3 raised to power k. So this is equal to the 2 into 11 and we have to find the series 1 to 11 3 raised to power k. The series is, ये सीरीज क्या हो जाएगी 3 raised to power k 1 to 11 terms. The series becomes 3 plus 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 3 and up to 3 raised to power 11. Now the first term a equal to 3 and common ratio is 3. Now the formula of sum is a 1 minus r raised to power n, क्योंकि r greater than 1 है, by r minus 1. Okay. It is equal to the 3 raised to power 11 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. The sum is 3 by 2, 3 raised to power 11 minus 1. And the sum of the whole series (2 plus 3 raised to power k) equal to 22 plus 3 by 2, 3 raised to power 11 minus 1. This is the summation of the series. Question number 12. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. The first three terms of a GP is A by R, A and AR. Okay, these are the three terms. And the sum of these three terms is given that 39 by 10. And the product of these three terms, A by R into A into AR, equal to 1. R cancel, A cube equal to 1. Therefore, A equal to 1. Okay. Next, sum. Put A equal to 1 in this equation. 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal to 39 by 10. Now r square plus 1 by r equal to 39 by 10 minus 1. It is 29 by 10. The equation becomes 10r square minus 29r plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, by splitting middle term 10 into 10 100, so we get 25r minus 4r plus 10 equal to 0. 5r common, 2r minus 5 and minus 2 common, 2r minus 5. It is 2r minus 5 or the 5r minus 2 equal to 0. We get the two values of r, 5 by 2 and 2 by 5. Okay, the r is 2 by 5 or 5 by 2. Therefore, the three terms A equal to 1, put the value of r is, this is equal to the 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. ये आर अगर इसको हम रखेंगे 1 तो ये 5 by 2 ये, या फिर हम इसको आगे भी बढ़ा सकते हैं. इसको अगर 2 by 5 लेंगे 5 by 2 तो 2 by 5 इसको लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 5 by 2 1 2 by 5. The series is like this. Okay. Question number 13. How many terms of the GP 3 square, 3 cube and etc. are needed to give the sum of 120. Okay. 3, 3 square, 3 cube and so on. And the sum of the series is given to 120. Find करना है n. A equal to 3 and R equal to 3. Ratio 3 square by 3 is 3. The formula of sum is A R raised to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. The sum is 120. A is 3. 3 raised to power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1, 2. It means 120 into 2 by 3 equal to 3 raised to power n minus 1. 40 into 2, 80. It means 3 raised to power n equal to 81. 80 plus 1. It is equal to the 3 raised to power 4. Now comparing the power, n equal to 4. Okay. Power compare करेंगे तो n equal to 4. Now next question number 14. Question number 14. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of the next 3 terms is 128. Determine the first term, common ratio and sum of n terms of the GPA. Sum of first 3 terms 16 and sum of the next 3 terms is 128. The terms of the series are A, AR, AR square, AR cube and so on. The sum of first 3 terms A plus AR square equal to 16. And the next 3 terms AR cube, AR raised to power 4 and AR raised to power 5 equal to 128. Okay, this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Take A common in equation number 1. We get 1 plus R square equal to 16. Okay, this is the third one. Take AR cube common in the second. 128. इसमें से AR क्यूब कॉमन लिया, इसमें से A. नाउ डिवाइड 4th by 3. इसको इससे डिवाइड करेंगे. AR क्यूब 1 plus R square 128 divided by A 1 plus R square by 16. Okay, A cancel and 16 8 are 128. R cube equal to 8, therefore R equal to 2. Put R equal to 2 in any one equation, we get A. In equation 3, 1 plus 2 square equal to 16. Then A equal to 16 divided by 4 to 6 and 7. It is 16 by 7. Okay, now the sum of n terms A R raised to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. A is 16 by 7 and R is 2. 2 raised to power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 16 by 7 into 2 raised to power n minus 1. This is the sum of n terms. Okay. Next question number 15. 15 is given a GP with A equal to 729 and 7th term is 64. Determine S7. The question number 15 में A equal to 729 and the 7th term is 64. It means A7 equal to 64. It means A R raised to power n minus 1 6 equal to 64. R raised to power 6 equal to 64 by 729. 64 by 729 is 2 by 3 raised to power 6. It means R equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now find the sum of n terms. Okay, sum of 7 terms, not the n terms, 7 terms. So formula is a 1 minus r. R is less than 1, therefore 1 minus r. Okay, the 7 terms, n equal to 7. A is 729. 1 minus 2 by 3 raised to power 7 by 1 minus 2 by 3. Now solve. It is 3 raised to power 7 and this one is 3 raised to power 7 minus 2 raised to power 7 by 3 raised to power 7 and 3 minus it is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 minus 2 by 3, 3 ऊपर चला जाएगा, ये 3 रेज़ टू पावर 6 है, सॉरी 3 रेज़ टू पावर 6 दिस, ये 3 ऊपर गया, 3 रेज़ टू पावर 7 एंड 3 रेज़ टू पावर 7 इज 2187 minus 128 divided by 3 raised to power 7. Cancel. We get 2059. Okay. Question number 16 is find a GP for which sum of the first two terms is minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. Okay. The sum of two terms yani S2 equal to minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term yani it means A5 equal to 4 times the A3. The A fifth term is A r raised to power 4. Okay, this one is 4 into A r raised to power 2. A cancel, ये r square इधर कटेगा, r square equal to 4, then r equal to 2. r equal to 2 means plus minus 2. अगर यहाँ पर दोनों लेंगे तो हो जाएगा S2. The formula is S2 is A plus 1 minus r raised to power n, 1 minus, अगर हम लोग प्लस माइनस तो r raised to power n by 1 minus r. तो A is equal to 1 minus r is 2 raised to power 2 upon 1 minus 2 and it is equal to the minus 4. So we get minus 1 is plus 4. A 1 minus 4 is minus 3. A into minus 3. Then A is equal to minus 4 by 3. अगर सॉल्व करेंगे तो A क्या आ जाएगा minus 4 by 3. और अगर R इक्वल टू यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या लिए हैं 2 लेके चले हैं और R इक्वल टू minus 2 लेंगे तो फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा S n इक्वल टू A, सेम फॉर्मूला है, जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू 1 minus 2 raised to power 2 by 1 minus 2 equal to minus 4. Sum is given that minus 4. It means A 1 minus 4 upon 1 plus 2. It means A equal to 3 into 4 minus 12 by minus 3. It is equal to the 4. The A equal to 4. तो now रिक्वायर्ड जीपी कर सकते हैं हम लोग. जीपी क्या होती है A इंटू ए आर 4 इंटू माइनस 2 minus 8 AR square to the 4 4 जा 16 and the next term minus 32 and so on. और अगर यहाँ से निकालेंगे -4/3 पहला टर्म, नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा -8/3, अगर R को हम लोग 2 लेके चलेंगे -16/3 एंड सो ऑन. ओके. Number 17 is if the 4th, 10th and 16th term of a GP are in X, Y and Z respectively, prove that X, Y, Z are in GP. Okay. 4th term X, 7th term 10th term y, and 16th term is z. Okay. Now prove that x, y, z are in GP. Okay. So A4 equal to AR cube equal to x, and A4 equal to AR raised to power 9 equal to y, and A16 equal to AR raised to power 15 equal to z. This is the equation number 1, 2 and 3. Now divide 2 by 1. Divide 2 by 1. So we get y upon x equal to r raised to power 6. AR की power 9, AR raised to power cube, R raised to power 6. Okay. Next divide third by second. Then we get z upon y equal to a r raised to power 15 by a r raised to power 9. It is also equal to the r6. 5. From 4 and 5. From 4 and 5. R raised to power 6, R raised to power 6 equal to this. So y upon x equal to z upon y. So we get y ratio same आ रहा है, y upon x की जगह. It means x, y and z are in GP. Are in GP. Okay. Next. Question number 18. Find the sum of n terms of the sequence 888, 888, 8888 and so on. 888, 888 and so on. This is not R in GP. These numbers are not in GP. GP means the ratio remains the same. Therefore, we have to convert. पहले series लिख लें. Series equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888 and so on. Okay. So now first we have to convert in the GP. So now the series becomes 8 by 9 and 9 plus 999. इसको पहले हम लोग इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. So फिर आगे बढ़ाएंगे इस सीरीज को. तो 8 by 9 यहीं रहेगा और 9 को लिखेंगे 10 minus 1. It is 10 square minus 1. Okay. And next same 10 cube minus 1 and so on up to n terms. यहाँ पर कहाँ तक जाना है इसको सीरीज को? n terms, क्योंकि हमको सम भी यहाँ तक निकालना था n terms तक. फिर अब इसको दो पार्ट में कर दें. फर्स्ट हो जाएगा 10 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर प्लस 10 क्यूब अप टू n terms. ओके. और ये क्या हो जाएगा? -1 माइनस और यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 अप टू n terms. ओके. तो अब देखिए ये 10 ये GP में है तो इसका सम क्या हो जाएगा? a फर्स्ट टर्म इज a रेज टू पावर n यानी 10 रेज टू पावर n माइनस 1 अपॉन 10 माइनस 1 माइनस 1 1 1 अप टू n टर्म्स इज n. ओके. तो हम लोग इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? 80 बाई 91. 9 इंटू 9 81. 80 10 raised to power n minus 1 and 8 by 9 n. This is the sum of the series up to n terms. First we have to convert in the GP. Okay. Now question number 19. Find the sum of products of the corresponding terms of the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8, 2, 1 by 2. Find the sum of the products of the corresponding terms. Okay. First we have to find the product of the corresponding terms. The first series is 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And the second series is 128, 32, 8, 2 and 1 by 2. Now the product of the corresponding terms 2 into 128 4 into 32, 8 into 8, 16 into 2 and 32 into 1 by 2. ओके, तब सीक्वेंस क्या बनेगी देखिए, 256, ये बनेगी 128, 64 एंड 32 एंड 16. ओके, अब इसमें से हम लोग कॉमन निकालते हैं सीरीज 16. ये क्या हो जाएगा 16 प्लस, इसको करेंगे प्लस करें 16 टू ज़ 64, सॉरी कॉमन 64, 64 4 जा 156, 4 प्लस 2 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 बाई 2 प्लस 1 बाई 4 मीन्स 1 बाई 2 स्क्वायर. हमको इसका सम निकालना है, तो 64 कॉमन लिए, 4 2 1 1 बाई 2 1 बाई 2 स्क्वायर. तो इसका मतलब 4 2 1 1 बाई 2 1 बाई 2 स्क्वायर आर इन GP. In this A equal to 4 and R equal to 2 by 4, it is 1 by 2. अब हमको सम निकालना है, सम ऑफ n टर्म्स. फॉर्मूला A 1 माइनस R रेस्ट पावर n अपॉन 1 माइनस R. पुट वैल्यूज 4 1 माइनस 1 by 2 रेस्ट पावर n अपॉन 1 माइनस 1 by 2. Sorry, up to 5 terms, only n equal to 5. 1 by 2 raised to power 5. Now solve 1 minus 1 upon 32. By 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, the 2 into 4, 8 into 31 by 32. 8 into 31 by 34. तो कितना हो जाएगा, 8 4 जा 32, इट इज इक्वल टू द 31 by 4. तो सबका सम कितना आ गया 30/4. अब हमको सम कितने का निकालना है, तो सिर्फ इस सीरीज का सम निकाले हैं. 64 यहाँ कॉमन है, तो टोटल सम क्या हो जाएगा, टोटल सम ऑफ द सीरीज 64 इंटू 31 by 4. 4 से कट गया 16, 16 1 496. This is the sum of 5 terms of the given series. Okay. The question number 20 is, show that the products of the corresponding terms of the sequence A, AR, AR square, AR raised to power n minus 1 and the other series capital A, AR, AR square and so from which find the common ratio. Okay. Here are two series A, AR, AR square and 2 AR raised to power n minus 1 and the other series is A, AR, sorry capital R, AR square up to AR raised to power n minus 1 and the product of the series, product, तो क्या हो जाएंगे टर्म्स, A कैपिटल A R A, इस तरीके से टर्म्स होंगे एंड सो ऑन लास्ट टर्म. नाउ द कॉमन रेशियो, फर्स्ट रेशियो AR second term to first term. Okay, it is equal to the R capital R and the second ratio AR square divided by AR. Okay, so it is also equal to the RR. It means therefore the above sequence forms an GP because the common difference is the same. Common ratio, common difference नहीं, common ratio is same. It means therefore the series is GP. The above sequence या series is a GP, geometric progression. रेशियो सेम है तो इसलिए GP में आ गया. ओके.